Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're not doing a watch review or even a watch unboxing. As many of you guys will know, I like tinkering with watches. I don't mind swapping movements out on some watches or bezel, glass, crystals, whatever. And there's always tools you don't have. So the other day I went on to Cousins, UK watch parts supplier. And they did this, they call it a professional toolkit, but this is the cheapest one they do really. They do Bergeron stuff, the whole works there, so you can spend hundreds. This is relatively a cheap thing. This is only £50 or so. And look what we get here. To be fair, I haven't really looked at any of this properly. Everything is still all in its, a lot of it's still in its cellophane. Like, first things first, quick thing is screwdrivers. Are they any good? Let's have a quick look at the tips there. And they actually look respectable. Let's have a look at some of the others as well. Because I do find you always need a good set of screwdrivers. And to be fair, that looks pretty good. So what else do you get in this kit? Looks like we have a pin pusher. Let's see what else we got. A little case back tool here. We have selections of tweezers. Let's have a quick look at them. Oh, they're actually quite nice. Yeah, they seem quite nice. I presume the others are going to be similar. Because I find it, if you're like me and you like tinkering with watches, you're always after the right kit to do it with. Now, I don't profess to being a watchmaker. I'm definitely not that skilled at all. I just like tinkering and modifying bits and pieces, maybe changing handsets over dials. Nice little case there. Case holders, sorry. The standard little blower. We have a movement holder. Now, I could have done with this before a few times, so that's quite handy to have. Let's see what else we got here. We've got this. It's not a vice holder, not a crown stem holder, so I'm not quite sure what that is, but I dare say people will tell me. We've got tools here for the hands, for fitting the hands, so we have all different sizes there. Let's see what else we've got here. I'll leave that out. Looks like we have a little stone for sharpening your on screwdrivers and so forth. I'll leave that. Can I get it out? Yep, there we go. There we go. 2 different grits. It feels perfectly okay. Looks like we have a spring bar removal tool there. Polishing cloth, that could be used for brushing this small piece of wood on there. We have a small clamp. That's quite handy. And it looks like we've got, let's hold this here, 2 different loops, which is very handy. Some Rudco, some Rudco there, I should point out. We have some automatic style hand removes. To be fair, I've got a few sets of them. Set of plastic tweezers, so I presume that's more for batteries maybe. Is that a pry bar? Sorry, a case pry tool? I presume so. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's stuck in there tight. That's a case pry tool there. What do we have here? Oh, that's a set of hand removal tools as well there. And here, quartzo. That I've actually, I could have done with some of that the other day. It looks like you get a fair old bit of kit in here. Oh, oiling tool. The tools for putting the oil on with. So that's actually quite good, because I haven't had any of them. So there have been some times when that kind of stuff would have been handy. So I think you get a fair old bit of stuff here. And, I don't know value wise, but it definitely seems to let's move that back a bit. Yeah, but definitely seems to be a fair old bit of stuff there. And don't get me wrong, I'm not going to be, attempting stripping any movements apart as such. I do want to get myself I'm thinking something like a pocket watch and try and strip it and put it back together. Because at least a pocket watch, it's a bit more easier on sizes. So I want to try that and then slowly work up to maybe a non-date freehander. But these are just, it's always nice to have the kit, and it's always nice to have the kit at hand and know where it actually is. So there you go. Looking at it, it does look respectable quality for a hobbyist. I dare say if you're a professional, this wouldn't do you at all. But, it's the way it is. I don't claim to be one. So, yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually find this, leave a link to their website. But so far, it does seem quite good. So I think it's just nice to have everything all in one place. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay, all the best, and I'll see you soon. Bye.